do I need? Well, got my book.
See, he's got his chair here. His chair can't move, so take it.
I could use 2 more clues.
Habibi.
Hi, Mrs. Pepper.
Oh, wow. Ramon. You're welcome, Ramon.
Grocery shoot.
Hug.
We may need your help now.
Boss, Ammo.
Hi, Mr. Salt. Hi, Paprika.
Boss.
Gosh.
Boss.
Another hug.
Oh, I love you.
Well, do you think we can help Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper with their grocery list? Well, let's see what we need to find from the list. Let's find this first. See this one?
Oh, god damn, I had it the wrong way. This whole entire time. Shoot!
What is it?
You what?
She's taking a video sideways.
She always does that. Halfway through she gets mad.
Milk. See? Milk. Good job.
Mommy, I'm a hug. I'm a hug.
Give me a hug, please. Oh, I love you.
Boss.
Let's see.
Ay.
Do you
take it from
see this item? Oh, you see this item? What is it?
Monkey. Ramon. Monkey.
Right.
You monkey.
Almost done.
Okay.
Baby.
Do we have anything else on our list?
It's a lion.
Excuse me. Do you see
Where's
this
the
one?
keys?
Oh, yeah? What is it? Right.
Mommy, it's fine. Hold on. Mama, Baba going caca.
Who's reading?
Come here, Ramon.
She's not going to lock the door.
I think that's everything. Yep.
Oh, that was a fake ass thing.
Come on.
Here's Paprika. So,
What did you do?
Paprika was hungry?
What did you do?
Hey,
Come on, get up here.
see any clues around here? Me neither. We'll have to keep looking. Bye.
Oh my god.
Oh! What did you do?
Oh, and door. Door starts with C. And curtain. Curtain starts with C.
You broke it.
Okay.
And look at that. Cow. Cow also starts
one hell of a
with
blister
C.
you got.
And so does cake. And
Thank
caterpillar.
you.
And yes. Clue.
Right here.
Clue also starts with C. And so does carburetor. And cantaloupe. And capobianco. Did you see a
Get
clue?
your face out of my butt.
Where?
Hey, fuck. Yes.
There's a clue
Wish I could
on that cow.
Ow! Don't bite me!
They both start with C.
Ow!
You know what we need? Our handy dandy.
Ow! Khalas, please!
Notebook.
Please!
Okay.
Ow!
Let's draw
Ow!
In our
It really
clue
is face.
code. Cow is spelled